Finally, we are now boarding Emirates Airlines together with my family.
Waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
This is our breakfast for this morning. I have chicken salad with egg and tomatoes, and of course milk. What about you, Alex? What is your breakfast? Milk and I think that's English breakfast. How about you, Ga? What's that? Egg with broccoli salad. Wow, bacon.
Bacon.
That? Oh, that's not bacon. That's, what's that? Egg and
Chicken katsu.
chicken. Okay.
Time kayo, magpupagid na pormiro pa. Well, dadal na. Pormiro man. Pormiro pa niya.
Muna red flag nila ng primero.
Takdan siya. Close na ang boarding.
Kibaw sila na kay kwarta. Muli ng buwat na sila.
Hindi, they never know the money. Pero mubiyahe din sa kibaw, nagdaan kita kwarta.
Tip-tip.
Tingnan ba nila? Sideline. Awa, malinawag.
If you come early in Dubai, and you feel hungry, you just go to the second floor of the airport and you can find a restaurant there. It's open 24 hours and you can just chill here and relax while eating your favorite salad. And so we are done with our breakfast and we are just here sitting down and just having more time to relax. We are in line now to get a taxi. Video lang, video.
First time na yung kita Burj Khalifa. Dire man itong may nag-motor cruise, no?
Yeah.
Gede, cool. Sa Barcalas. Namigay mag-drive. Kusog na natin ang buha ko. Bulot, esperare yan eh.
Kusog kayo. Oh, ano ka to? Very fast. Because that's highway. Very fast. Oo.
Sakto na nga ng dagat.
Kusog eh.
Napapirare lang ka. Mga nag-video.
Laos-laos siya no.
Lipas.
First atong lugar nga unong kinay kayo.
Yeah.
Do not come here when you drive Ferrari.
Oh, di man sa Tamari. Layo mo ni Dapit Airport.
I really appreciate. That's why I like this place.
Expo 2020 Dubai.
Kasi marig November ba?
Ay, kuhan. Look at the other side.
Big buildings.
The one. That is very fun. Their prime minister. Buti nga rin yan. Asid, Muhammad.
Thank you. 712. Ato Miss Pica's room. 711.
711 is there.
Ah. Ja, ato Miss 711. Yatag nila. Yatag nila.
Oh, your card is here.
Look at that. Here. These are another new hotels here being constructed. But there's no balcony. It's okay. Look at that. Wow, I love this modern design bathroom with very nice fixtures. Look at that. Wow, you can see the bed from here. Wow, remote controlled modern bathroom. I love this elegant design, all blended with neutral colors. Very beautiful. I love the white wall design of the bathroom, which has an added texture to its design. And it complements the painting. Modern. And the shower.
Where's the swimming pool?
there is, of course. Complete with bathroom toiletries. Yes. We have complimentary coffee, tea, and milk. A small refrigerator. Two bathrobes. There's an iron.
No. Asa na dapit? Ma.
And there's a tall sofa. I chose this hotel because I love the fantastic view of the Burj Khalifa. The temperature is only 30 degrees, just like in the Philippines. A mirror. Hello guys, we're in the lobby now. We are just waiting for our tour guide to come here and pick us up. This is our first day in Dubai and we'll have desert safari, which includes dune bashing, quad bike, camel ride, Arabian dinner buffet, belly dancing, fire dance, and a lot more. We are here now in the lobby. Oops, our guide is already here. Come on guys, let's go. We're gonna go now. Yay! Everyone is so excited. I'll see you more in my next vlog. Oops, we have companions. Hello.
Okay. Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Okay.
Thank you. We will see what is really Sahara. What is a safari?
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on